In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and back up a ghost site, content, theme, routes, redirects. We're going to create a complete backup of your ghost site so you have your content, settings, redirects, routes, and theme safely stored. This is perfect before making big changes, migrating hosts, or just for peace of mind. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ghost CMS. From the results, head to your Ghost admin area. Once you're on the sign-in page, log in with your administrator account so you have access to all the settings we'll need. From the dashboard, go to Settings, then Advanced, and open the Import-Export section. This is where you can export your site's content and configuration. Switch to the Export tab and click the Export button. Your browser will download a .json file containing your posts, pages, tags, and site settings. Save this file somewhere safe and consider renaming it with today's date so it's easy to find later. This export is your core content snapshot and is essential for restoring or moving your site. Next, still in Settings, go to Advanced again and open Labs. Scroll to the Redirects section. Redirects help preserve SEO and user experience when URLs change, so it's important to back them up. Click Download. Current redirects to save the redirects ML file. If your site uses custom routes, look for the routes area and click Download current routes to get the routes. YAML file. Routes control how collections and custom URLs are structured, so keeping this file ensures your site's navigation and special pages behave the same after a restore. Now let's back up your theme. Go to Settings and open Design and Branding. Click Change Theme to see your installed themes and locate the theme that's marked as active under the Installed section. Click the Options menu, which looks like 3 dots, on the active theme, and choose Download. This will save your theme as a zip file. That archive contains your templates, assets, helpers, and partials exactly as your site is using them. Keep this file alongside your content export and YAML files for a complete backup set. At this point, you should have 4 key items: the content, .json export, redirects, YAML, routes, YAML if you use custom routes, and the theme .zip. Store them together in a clearly labeled backup folder. For extra safety, copy that folder to cloud storage or an external drive. As a best practice, repeat this process before major updates and schedule periodic backups so you always have a recent copy. And that's it. You've successfully exported and backed up your ghost site, including content, theme, routes, and redirects.